Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've been following along with my videos for a while, you'll know that I recently posted a YouTube video showing you how to set daily Instagram limits on an iPhone so you don't lose hours of your day on the app. Not only that, in my How to Use Less Data on Instagram video, I showed you how to set limits within the Instagram app itself. I had a conversation with a blogger following those videos, and they asked this question. Is there a way to find out how much time you spend on the Instagram app per day? You'll be happy to learn that the answer to the question is yes. Although Instagram Insights and its analytics are only available to business and creator accounts on Instagram, all account types, including personal, have access to a section on the app called Your Activity. To find it, you simply need to start on your profile, look for the three-lined menu in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and then tap it. A menu will slide up from the bottom of the screen, and the third option down says Your Activity. That's the one you'll want to select to find out how much time you spend on the Instagram app. On the next screen, there are two tabs available. First, you have links. These are all of the links you've clicked on in the Instagram app. Next to that, you have time. That's the one you'll want to tap next. As you can see, this screen shows you exactly how much time you've spent on the app over the last week, along with a daily average. If you tap on the information icon, a pop-up appears that tells you more, and you can also hit Learn More to be taken to the Instagram Help Center and learn more about the time feature. You can tap on the blue bars of the charts to see specific details about timing. My chart shows quite sporadic usage, very up and down. I was on the app for almost 2 hours on Sunday, but on Wednesday, I only managed 17 minutes. On average, I spend approximately 48 minutes per day on the Instagram app. This is probably quite low compared to some social media marketers, but I've recently been focusing all of my attention on creating content for my YouTube channel instead of trying to grow on social media. Underneath the graph that shows you how long you've spent on Instagram, you'll see a section called Manage Your Time. Here, you can set a daily reminder. If you set a daily reminder for 5 minutes, Instagram will notify you when you've spent more than 5 minutes on the app. Beneath that option, you have another one, called Notification Settings. Here, you can pause push notifications, and also change which notifications you receive from Instagram. I'm going to talk you through this section in another video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on if you don't want to miss it. So, you now know just how much time you spend on the Instagram app on a daily basis. I'm interested to learn what yours says. Take a peek at your time on Instagram and then comment below with your daily average. Let's compare numbers. I hope you found this video useful today. But please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.